Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now, this section of the road we're driving on is between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallus Bridge. More specifically from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay. So this section of the road, they are taking the existing roadway and upgrading it or expanding it to 4 lanes. So that's what you see the work going on here. They are expanding the roadway to 4 lanes. So from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, the existing roadway will be upgraded to 4 lanes. So that's the section we're looking at now. So all the work, construction work you see in the video, it's the expansion of the existing roadway to 4 lanes. Now, it was announced in April that this road would finish in August of this year. And we are now in the first week in June. So that's 11 weeks from now. They are saying this section of the road will be finished. The section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. So I'm asking you guys, what do you think? Do you think this road will be finished in 11 weeks based on what you're seeing? And we're going to come out here every week and give you an update on the video, on the construction, to see how far they've reached. I'm not sure why they said August. Perhaps December would have been a better date because it seems like a lot of work. But as I said, we're not sure. We will keep you guys updated and leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think. I don't understand where they come up with these dates, because in March it was announced that the road will be finished in April and March of this year, and anybody who would have toured the project would have known it could not finish in April. And then in April they toured the project, and then they came up with the August 2023 date, and I'm just not sure they're going to meet that deadline. I mean, it is China Harbor Engineering Company, which is they build all the major highways in Jamaica, but I just don't see a lot of people working on the road. I mean, there are some sections where they are working, yes, like straight ahead, but there are some sections where just no work is going on. So I'm not sure if this road will finish by August 2023. I'm not even sure if it will finish by December 2023, but December would have been a better date to use. But nonetheless, they said August, so we'll keep you guys updated, and we're asking for your feedback. Leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think. But this is a very good project. I mean, when it's finished because the benefits to the country, especially this side of the island, will be immense. Never before has this side of the island seen roads like this. Never before. This is definitely a game changer for the eastern part of the island. So we're not knocking it. It's a needed project. It's a very good project. I'm just not sure how they come up with these completion dates. Now, the entire project is to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Port Antonio in Portland. And that entire project is scheduled to finish in 2025. I'm not sure if it will finish by then, because some sections were given to local contractors and that turned out to be a nightmare. And China Harbor Engineering Company has been taking over those sections. But if China Harbor Engineering Company can't finish this section that we're driving on, which is the section that they are working on time, I'm not sure if that 2025 deadline is going to still hold true. Because in addition to working on the sections that China Harbour Engineering Company is to work on, they now have to work on the sections that were originally given to the subcontractors, because they're taking over those sections, some of those sections. But we'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so here you can see the Jersey barrier, so it's going to be 4 lanes. And remember, this section between the Harborview Bridge and the 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So that roadway will be expanded and upgraded to 4 lanes of highway quality road. Now, I just want to point out, there is no deadline that has to be met with this project. So that's why I'm saying I'm not sure why they give these dates. There is nothing that says this road must be finished in 2023 or there is XYZ penalty. Not that I know of. So that's why I just don't understand why they give these unrealistic completion dates. Because now, well, we'll watch it. Now, this is my very interesting. Straight ahead in this, right through the path of the highway, is the Bull Bay police station. Straight ahead. So that station has to be removed and a new station built. And would you believe the station is still standing? Now, suppose this road had finished in April. I have no idea why it's taking so long. I mean, to relocate the station, to build a new one. It was announced in March that they were going to start construction of the new station. I mean, they knew years ago that this station was in the path of the highway. And it's in 2023 that they announced that they are going to be building a new station. They're going to start construction on a new station. For some reason, I just think someone dropped the ball, something went wrong. 5 years ago when they started this project, it was known that station had to be relocated. I mean, 5 years ago you could have started, you could have found a location. I mean, not sure what happened. I just find it very strange that when the highway is close to being completed is when they have decided to start building the new station. So guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.